if you're ready to dive in, I want to go over some specific tools and ways that we can do this without burning out using AI. We want to use AI, guys, as a tool to help you be more efficient, to actually put you in the game, the human element. We want to put you in the game more often.
Right. Well, and, I know we're going to talk about this, but automation, right, and getting the repetitive steps off your plate. I mean, we're talking about that for me right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hiring an assistant, doing that. So let's start with photo AI, because actually that's new to me.
Yeah.
Right? And so we actually just did it for me. We had a bunch of puppies. Remember?
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah, we had a bunch of puppies. But tell us about photo AI and, how you're using it, how you can use it in your content.
Yes. Okay, so there's a lot of different AI photo tools out there now where it'll create, images for you. And this is the best one that I've found. It is so good. So you basically are going to upload, go to Photo AI, and I think it was like $100 for like a year, and you got like 3,500 credits, which was insane. Basically 3,500 professional images, something to that. Don't quote me on that, but it was
a lot.
What more than you could it's an insane amount. I can't even tell you how many photos that you get.
Yeah, like think about how much you would pay a professional
photographer
for a headshot.
Oh,
and then
insane.
And then it's probably at least $100, $75 to $100. And now you got like 3,000 plus, whatever the number is.
Well, it's more than a professional photographer is going to charge you more than $75 for $100. There's a lot of people that won't leave the house for less than $100.
Right.
You see what I'm saying?
Right.
Let alone get all their camera equipment out. It's not worth their time. So yeah, they're going to charge you a lot more than that. And let's talk about that actually for a second, because this helps you to create high-end images, some of the best images, and they do look like you. I've used other ones before that were like, it was kind of like, no, these are you.
Well, and what was so incredible, and it's not just headshots, right? I mean, there was even animated, like moving.
Yeah, you can turn it into videos.
AI video, yeah. Little GIFs or whatever.
Yeah, you can do lots of stuff with it. But, okay, so let's unpack this for a second, because we're going to talk about how to use these photos in a second. But I really want to focus on the value, because Mark and I, we did just hire a professional photographer, which there is still a place for professional photographers, and I'll talk to that in a second. Shout out to Lene with Illuminated by Lene. She's amazing. She does a phenomenal work. She really does. We just hired her. But we went through this process because I wanted to have a bunch of professional photos taken of me. And I had to get, I wanted to make sure they didn't all look the same, because I did it once before and I was wearing the same jacket in every photo. And so everything just kind of looked the same, right? And so I brought like 5 different jackets, suit jackets. And first of all, the first day we were scheduled for her to come out,
It's rainy.
it was windy.
Oh, that's right, windy.
Crazy windy. And we were taking photos outside, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I knew my hair was going to be all over the place. It was not going to be good, okay? So I'm like, I had to call her up and reschedule, right? The second day, what happened? It was rain.
Mm-hmm.
I think we had to reschedule like 3 times. You were supposed to be there the third or fourth time. Whenever we actually finally did it, you couldn't be there for whatever reason. So you didn't even get yours.
Mm-hmm.
You weren't even able to get your shots, right? We had a great time. We went out there, took a bunch of photos all over the place, but I had to change. Mm-hmm. I mean, when you think
good,
they're amazing shots. But when you think about the overall user experience of that,
yeah,
what
the
I had
logistics,
the logistics, what I had to do, right? And I only got a few, I got a few versus what this thing can do, and it will put you in all kinds of different outfits. I mean, it makes you look like a rock star.
Yes. Settings. Oh my gosh, like just incredible.
Sky's the limit. Literally.
The value. You would spend thousands and thousands of dollars to
Yep.
recreate those actual pictures.
Absolutely. I mean, as a matter of fact, their headline on the website, like their big bold headline is "Fire Your Photographer."
Yeah.